see, everybody talks about the sexy stuff that they put on their cars. The suspension, the extra, the new turbo, the new tires, the new wheels, but nobody ever talks about the non-sexy stuff that should be going on your car. As you get faster, the hotter your car gets, the longer you run it. And it's not this like scale, you know, that's even. It's more like you go like this, and the faster you get, the longer you run it, that hill gets really steep really fast. So start thinking about oil coolers, diff coolers, any type of cooling devices that will cool your car down. Now, I'm not saying you need to do this up front, but this is something that you need to do as you get faster. But let's not also forget about the regular maintenance stuff that normally happens. Your brakes, your hubs, check your calipers, check your rotors. Make sure your car is not leaking. Make sure you're up to date with maintenance, with your oil, with your transmission fluid, with your diff fluid. Check your tires, check your wheels. Make sure your wheels don't have any crack. All this stuff will make it a better track day for yourself and also for the rest of your colleagues. If we don't stop the track time, whether it's mechanical or an accident, the longer track time that everybody has during the day.